Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today, as always, I always say it's stuff I had left over in the refrigerator. Well, not everything. I had some broccoli I bought maybe a week ago, and I didn't want it to get bad, so I happened to look at it and it's getting a couple of brown spots on the top, so gotta go. So I'm making a broccoli recipe. It's called chicken and broccoli. That's what I'm calling it, and let's go. Hopefully this will be a quick, and I mean quick and delicious meal. Okay, here's my said cooking vessel. Let me turn that on and get the heat going. I'm going to try to zoom this through today. We have my uh, broccoli that I already parboiled to get a little soft, a little bright green. Got me some onions I diced up. This is actually an onion that I cut yesterday, but it was too much. We made sandwiches earlier today, so I got a little tomato in there, a little garlic. There's 3 chicken breast halves cut small. See, a little piece like this. Made them small, so like bite size. I got some cannellini beans that was just open. I want to use that. Not part of my original plan. Got some heavy cream there. Some triple cheddar shredded cheese, and I got some Parmesan cheese. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, we got a little shimmy shake going on with the oil. I put a tablespoon of oil in there, just about, I guess. Aside from the crunch in the bag, you guys can hear the sizzle, yo. Alright, I'm gonna start stirring this up. Cook it till it's tender. Now we're adding the garlic. I'm gonna cook that until we get an aromatic blast up our nose. The aroma's there, and then we'll go from there. Okay, now we're gonna add in the chicken. And from here we're gonna cook that until it's nice and cooked through. We don't want to burn it, so watch it and stir it. That's what we're gonna do, just like this here, see? Stir it around, keep an eye on it because it will cook pretty quick. They're all small pieces, and cook them till they're done. Okay, this is another option, but throw some jalapeños in there for a little flavor. And that's not even a tablespoon. And we're gonna dump our tomatoes in there and give that another couple of minutes. Okay, now we're going to dump our beans in there, give them a quick stir in here. Then we're going to plop in the broccoli. Like I said, this is also going to help with cooking time with the broccoli because it's pretty much al dente. Stir this around. Now we're going to drop in our heavy cream, and this is only about a half a cup. I didn't want to go crazy with it, so. But whatever's in here, I'm going to try to get it out, see? And then we're going to stir this around until it's heated through. Okay, now I'm going to add, I just put some rosemary in there. I'm going to give it a little dash of the dill. Just a little bit. We just want a little flavor. And I think the dill is going to bring out the flavor in the broccoli. A little thyme. We got the time. Okay. This stuff's really starting to heat up, so keep stirring it in. Okay, the cheddar cheese is going in. Now this is where you didn't realize why I put the heavy cream in there, huh? This is going to make like a nice cream sauce, I hope. That's about a half a cup of shredded cheddar. Stir that around and stir that around, and we'll be right there. Okay, as you can see, we got a nice little sauce going here. So now I'm putting some Parmesan cheese in here. Just putting a little handful. All right, a little more than a handful. I didn't want to measure that. And we're gonna stir. Okay, my friends, there we have it. We're pretty much done. It's got a nice creamy, cheesy sauce with our broccoli and chicken. All right, let me give you an overhead shot. We'll dish it up. Okay, there's an overhead view of it. So we're gonna dish this up and we'll see you at the taste test table, huh? Okay, this is Mr. Dan. Camera girl's on the way out. Mr. Elmo's enjoying his snack already. So, welcome to the taste test table. This is our chicken and broccoli with cheesy cream sauce. Mmm. Mmm. Very tasty. The broccoli still has a little crunch. Chicken is spot on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh boy, it's hot. Okay. So, very good, quick and easy to make. Okay, when you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about in the car, take that sanitizing spray or gel, wash your hands then. Wash your hands when you get back home. Don't talk with your mouth full, unless it's a bowl like this. Give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Hit the subscribe button. And also when you do that, then a notification bell will pop up. You can hit that. And that'll notify you every time we have another delicious meal like this coming out on video. So without further ado, my friends, stay hungry, and when you are, come back. I'm going to give you another tasty meal just like this. And it is very tasty. Okay, this is Mr. Zan, we're out.